Asma Sheikh is a dedicated online educator with expertise in English language and literature. She holds a master's degree in English and Montessori certification. In 2016, she founded a Vision Institute of Learning to provide quality education and training in academic and digital skills. Through platforms like Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and her blog, she engages students globally, offering resources in English, linguistics, and freelancing. Her mission is to empower students and professionals by fostering confidence, communication, and career readiness through innovative teaching methods. Over the years, Asma has launched courses for CSS, PMS, and IELTS, expanded a vision to include freelancing and blogging. Rooted in Islamic values, Asma's journey began with a deep connection to the Quran. Its principles of learning and self-improvement have shaped her teaching philosophy, emphasizing moral and intellectual development alongside academic excellence.